Just go to the browser and type Teamviewer and look for the download and click for the and accept all cookies. And click for the Windows if you're using a Windows user, Mac, Linux, ROM, or any other platform. Then click Windows since Windows 10 yung gamit namin. Then download TeamViewer. Wait for the download to finish. Then click the bottom option and show in folder, or you can just click the file for to open file. Yan. And for the installation, default installation, just accept and finish. And click for the personal. Then click yes. Wait for the file to finish install to be installed. The use of this TeamViewer, this software, is to you can control the other computers through online, and then click open the TeamViewer, and then this a remote ID in the password. If you're remoting this PC or your partner ID, can type here, then connect. That's it for the installation and downloading the software. Thank you.